Can you imagine spending a night off-grid, elevated 60 feet above a mountain forest, surrounded with everything you need, including a fire pit? In this video, we bring to you an off-grid shipping container cabin elevated 60 feet above the forest and a serene lookout with unforgettable memories in Whitfield County, Georgia, United States. The cabin is crafted from 2 shipping containers and elevated 60 feet above the forest floor on a metal framework, exclusively powered with solar and propane heaters. There are landings every 7 steps as you ascend the tower staircase for you to take a breath and soak in the incredible surroundings. A custom-designed glass front door opens into the main container cabin, where you'll find all the comforts you need, including a kitchenette, a cozy dining area, and a comfortable bed. From the entrance is a well-equipped kitchenette that allows you to prepare smaller meals and snacks while enjoying the ever-changing landscape. The kitchenette features all the essential kitchen appliances, enough storage cabinets, and generous working counter space. The kitchen is surrounded by walls of windows and doors that open to an adjacent alfresco dining space. From the kitchen, there is a dining area or a workstation for 2. Opposite the dining area is an adorable tiny wood-burning stove that easily heats the whole living space. From the dining area is a comfortable double bed fitted with plush beddings, situated in a peaceful environment that creates a tranquil oasis for ultimate relaxation. The glass windows extend the bedroom space and also offer maximum natural lighting. Waking up to the sun streaming through the large windows, the skylight is truly breathtaking. The second container has been transformed into a modern and functional bathroom. This well-appointed space offers all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay amid the wilderness. On the inside, there is very little evidence that this is a container home. The cabin highlight is its panoramic views, inviting guests to enjoy the surrounding wilderness from the balcony, with the sounds of the river creating a relaxing backdrop for guests to unwind. Moreover, a spiral staircase leads to a rooftop terrace, providing an additional vantage view of the space, adorned with a fire pit and comfortable seating. This elevated platform serves as an ideal spot for stargazing, enhancing the experience of this secluded getaway immersed in nature's beauty. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which brings out the industrial style of the cabin. Which part of this amazing container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by giving this beautiful container cabin a rating between 1 and 10. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.